Welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into our contact dashboard section. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in. The leaderboard and goals dashboard is designed for all of the team leaders and team members who are hoping to capitalize on a little bit of a competitive spirit by seeing the progress made towards each of their goals, which agents are performing at their best, all while working to coach members of the team as well as reinforce their efforts as an agent. Very similar to the agent goals dashboard, you're going to notice total calls, total notes, and total visits being represented, as well as at the very bottom, a list of all of the different contacts and when they were contacted. The only difference is in the very middle, you're going to see a list of all of the agents on your teams ranked from number 1 all the way down to give you a better understanding of how all of your agents are stacking up in their efforts and which of the agents is succeeding the most. Some of the cool things you can do is click on that agent name to see a filtered list of all of the different contacts they're bringing for any of the given sections, as well as up at the very top right-hand side, you can filter by any given date range to ensure that you're able to look at how your agent's efforts are ramping over time to better push them forwards towards success. I hope you enjoyed today's lessons. These are the workflow secret dashboards. If you have any questions, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to get you taken care of. But until then, we'll see you later.